Hello, sir. Nice to have you here.
Thank
Can you
you.
please introduce yourself?
I am Chintan from Tata Chemicals, taking care of corporate advocacy and communications.
Okay, sir. So we will start with the questions. The first question is, how can the introduction of a single binding GHS regulation in India help achieving regional consistency and improve trade efficiency?
So I think first point is that across the globe, especially in the Asia, most of the countries are going in the GHS customization stage, and they are also adapting to most of the standards. And if India is able to bring one such integrated system, it is going to beneficial for the Indian manufacturers and industry to compete across the at least the region, and definitely at a global stage, because they have already adopted it. Second will be bringing this GHS system will also enhance the safety protocols which Indian industries follow or will have to follow, and that will also add to competitiveness of the industry.
Okay, sir. So should there be a shared region mechanism for adopting and validating SDS data to minimize the duplication of testing?
Yeah, in fact, like the example of ASEAN, where 10 smaller countries are having a common GHS system, and obviously they will have the similar mechanisms. So this is very much needed. In fact, it should be like a globally, there has to be one system where you don't have to really put any other new data once it is established or identified. However, depending on the region and the country, this may have some sort of need to add variants which are relevant for that particular geography or the demography, and that sort of flexibility needs to be there. On an ideal situation, this should be good, but maybe it is little time, or it may take some time to get this sort of system.
Okay, sir. So what would be the potential benefit of a publicly accessible hazard classification database for industry and regulatory alike?
I think best is that there will be common one place of truth available to entire, I mean, all the stakeholders, and they will not have to really find, okay, what is the changing or what should change. I think that should be the easiest. Second thing, it will also reduce a lot of work which an organization has to do or a regulator has to do to get things in perspective, and maybe the processes to export or import will also reduce.
Okay, sir. So looking forward to the ACF, sir. Can you describe in one line what is your experience to the ACF?
Insightful. I mean, one line I have to say. I know it was very insightful, interesting, and really the different perspective. In fact, I do attend a lot of conferences, and people talk about a lot of big things, but when you have to talk about the real change or real small things which will make difference, I think standards or this part is very important. I think Asian Chemicals Forum is really taking that up rightly.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
I don't know, I was supposed to look